Hello students, we know that term 1 exams are going to start and I hope you all are preparing well for your exams. In this video I will explain you the procedure of term 1. Term 1 exam will be in two parts. First one will be objective exam, it will be of 40 marks. Second will be oral exam subjective and it will be of 20 marks. Objective exam link will be shared in your WhatsApp group before 5 minutes of the given time. It will be of 1 hour. Timings of this exam will be 8:20 am to 9:20 am. When you will get the link, you will log in via student login column only. You will get a column there where you will enter your name with class and section. For an example, Samar Gupta, 3rd C like this. Two most important points are you have to attempt all the questions. Second, attempt the question paper only once. Means if you attempt the question paper more than one time, your paper will be cancelled automatically. After 9:20 am, the link will be deactivated. Means you won't be able to submit your paper after 9:20 am. Oral exam will be in Zoom online class only. It will be in two slots. Students will be divided into two slots. We will share the students list of slot 1 and slot 2 in WhatsApp group. There will be different Zoom online classes for different slots. Timings for oral exams will be slot 1 11 am to 11:40 am, slot 2 11:50 am to 12:30 pm. Students will join the Zoom ID accordingly. In all exams, students will sit with a pin page and a pencil box. They will be ready by doing all the entries on the paper before the exams like name, class, section, subject oral name and date. After the exam, students will paste that page in their subject copy. The day will be same for oral and objective exam. So students, be honest. Parents are requested to be more vigilant in the exams and let the children do their paper on their own. We want your support to make your children capable of honesty. This is the essence of education. Good luck students. Stay home, stay safe.